Hey, Captain Chris Johnson here. My God, I'm excited. I'm late. Reason being because I've been on the phone with everybody today. And if you if you really knew what was going on, you'd be late too and you'd be very excited. Let me get off what's going here first because I'm very late. In about 13 minutes, we have the public Q&A. That link is posted right below my video, this live here. Please, I'm urging you to get new people to this. I'm not sure who's doing. I know Mike Ellis is on the Julie Milo show right now, so I think Red Redfern will be doing the Q&A. Who's the best of the best? And hold on. Hey Bill, I'm on the phone. I'm on live right now. Let me call you back, okay, buddy? You're on my live on the phone right now. Right. So that was Bill Must. We've been on the phone all morning. I'm crazy today, guys. I mean, I feel like I just woke up and my Christmas tree is completely loaded with presents. That's how good I feel today. But the 2 o'clock's on in less than 12 minutes here. 8 o'clock, oh my goodness. Now Julie. Hey Julie, guess what? I'm on a live. You and Bill keep calling me. I'm talking to you on a live right now. Yeah, I'll say hi to Julie and then I'll say bye and I'll call you back as soon as this is over. All right, bye. Now you guys see how my day's going. It's always exciting. Red called me, Marty, Robin, Julie, Bill Must all day long. So it's been a real busy day for us. We're just excited. We're trying to answer these questions for everybody. But 8 o'clock tonight, let me get this out before I forget, is the Admire Walker. Dr. Derek will be doing a Q&A. 8 o'clock, I will have that in the back office, plus I will have it on my Facebook. But let me tell you what's going on, why we're so excited. Ash Mafara showed up again on the roundtable, okay? And this is to all you people who don't believe, okay? He announced to us yesterday, and he said we could talk about it. And I did Bill Must made an excellent video below this about who he just hired as the CEO to run one branch of Onpassive, and he's paying him $3 million. All right, a salary of $3 million. Check out the Google CEO. How much his salary? His salary is $2 million a year. Ash hired this guy for $3 million a year. If that don't get you to understand, how big this is, I don't know what else to tell you, folks. This is happening. I'm urging everyone to get to this public Q&A today. Get in and ask your question. It doesn't matter who you sign up with. It could be anyone in this family because that's what I want. It could be anyone, but I want you in it. I want you to get in this and enjoy this, what it's going to do for you. I mean, it's unbelievable, folks. We've had, I don't know, I didn't even look at the number today. And that's another thing. Marty DeGarmo will be doing a live after the Q&A at 2 o'clock. We've been pretty busy this morning, but he'll be doing a live after the 2 o'clock. And also, the GoFounder site is under major construction because you guys know what's happening. You guys know what's going on in the next few days. So a lot of things are being transferred over, so it's going to be up and down. But don't panic. Keep signing your people up. It'll all go through, but that site, is going to go bye-bye here real soon. And guess what's coming? Oh, founders. And I'm not saying hi to anybody yet because I don't want to forget what I'm going to say, but give me a minute. But I'm going to tell you what, guys. This is as real as it comes. And a lot of people say, Chris, who's this? What's it? Listen, all Ash Mafara has to do is tell me something. I believe. I've seen it. I've been in these things. I know what's going on. I'm connected to just about everyone in Passive. I'm going to do my hey. I was on the phone with Bangladesh this morning, Mr. Mafus, till very early hours. We got Australia, New Zealand. We were in Hmong last night. I'm not sure exactly where that's at. I jumped on their webinar. Michael Williams was talking. Very exciting, guys. Very exciting. They actually did it in English. The lady, her name was Ka. She got on there. First time she did a presentation in English. She does phenomenal. That's what it's about, folks. We got people stepping up to the plate, getting this out. Leadership are supporting as many people and countries as we can. It's pretty amazing. And you're still not in this, okay? It's worth checking out, at least the public Q&A today. We have Q&As every single day for the public all over the world, different languages, and I'm letting you know, don't miss this. All right, I'm asking you, at least check it out. You get in, you don't see what I'm saying or what I'm talking about, you get your refund back. That's simple. You have nothing to lose, folks. But I guarantee you, once you get in it, once you see what actually this is all about and what it's going to do for you, your family, your country, you will not ask for that money back, because that little $97, which is you're buying into a business, you're a partner. You're going to be a partner with Ash Mafara, basically. Okay, you're paying a company to do it all for you. Literally, I was telling someone the other day, hey man, if someone told me I could give them $97 and they're going to completely build me a business, run everything, do everything, and I get to go do what I want, oh my God, you really, really got to think about that, folks. Yep. Oh, Chris, that's not true. It is true. This is Chris Johnson, Captain Chris Johnson, telling you right now, I've been involved with this for a year, almost a year now. I see everything that's going on. I've heard Ash Mafara, what he has planned for the future, and I guarantee you, this is it, folks. You're never going to have this opportunity again. $97. I got people working 3-4 weeks just to get that position. All you need is one position, folks. That's it. You $97 when we launch to the world soon, right? You pay a package fee and you're done. Never have to come out of pocket again, and it's going to keep growing. Can you imagine? There's let's say 5 trillion people in this world. All right, there's 4.7 internet users right now. 650,000 brand new people get onto social media every day. It's never going to end. And why would they join Onpassive? Because they're going to earn a residual income. That's the key, folks, for doing nothing. Any of you that have websites out there, you know what it takes. It's a lot of work. Email and texting. You don't have to do anything, man. They do the recruiting, the selling. They market you 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. It's phenomenal. All right, but you just keep going to work. You keep doing those 40, 50, 60 hours a week for now until things change again. Next thing you're laid off. No layoffs in Onpassive. All right, no layoffs. No part shortages. Auto workers, teachers, substitute teachers. This is your plan B. Make it your plan B. Okay, when we launch to the world, and you guys all know what's happening on Friday. All right, that's when it's starting. That's when this tour is starting. All right, listen to me. That's when it's starting, and it's going to go on for a couple weeks, maybe a month. And that is really for founders only. But when we launch to the world, you're going to say, man, I really just should have checked up on it, because when we do launch to the world, it's on. It's on. We're still going to be doing what we do already, because then we can get resellers. But everyone is going to want to be a part of this, because you get a paid residual income from the world. Imagine waking up in the morning and for doing nothing, and you might have 5 people, brand new people, customers. You might have 100. You might have 1,000. But it doesn't stop. There's no cap to this, guys. There's no cap to it. It's unbelievable. You can make as much money as you want, and you don't even have to do nothing. That's the most important thing for me. Get your time back, folks. It's time to get your time back. Break that stupid cycle of 40, 50 hours a week. All right. Don't you want to enjoy yourself for 40 or 50 hours a week rather than go to some job you probably don't like, your boss, maybe even work with people you don't even like? Man, that gets old. I did it for 32 years in one building. I don't want you to do that. I want you to get out, enjoy your life. Okay? Be with your kids, be with your husband, your wife. Have those family parties. Not have to worry about getting up at 5. Oh man, I can't do it. I got to be up at 5 to go to that lousy job. Break that cycle, folks. Get in this. $97. And I'm telling you, a year after you launch, sooner, you're going to change things, because you're going to have the options to change things, like retire, go on those dream vacations, and just start enjoying life. Be with those kids. You know, what do we got today? Both parents work, it seems like, today. All right, imagine being home with your kids all the time. All right, taking them on some. How many of you out there have got kids and never even been to Walt Disney World or Disneyland? Think about that for a second. That's all going to be there for you. Onpassive is going to not only pay for your kids' college, it's going to get you to where you need to be. That's the honest to God truth. All right, let me go down and say some hi. Nair, James, what's happening? Woo, he's saying some language there. Mark Booth, Franco, how you doing? Debbie Morgan, Kent Patterson, New Zealand. Juanita Michaels, how you doing? Beautiful. Bahula Gupta, what's happening? Bill Musk, man, who's this Bill Musk guy? You want to know who Bill Musk is? Bill Musk, Timmy Johnson, John White. 3 phenomenal guys that have done so much behind the scenes. You might have heard their names. Everyone in Onpassive knows who they are, but you know what? Go to his YouTube channel. Check out Bill Musk's YouTube channel. He just did an excellent one talking about the new CEO and what Ash Mafar is paying him. It's just below this live, or a couple below. Please watch it. It's a couple minutes long. Give Bill a shout out, because he loves shout outs. He loves hearing from you guys, so keep doing that. But check out his YouTube channel. Let's see. Ruth Pace, Peter Rogers is in the house. Guys, if I missed you, I apologize. Up to Pale Day, how you doing? Susan, is that Susan DeVoe? What's happening in Canada? Guys, this is it. This is it. Very soon, the founder's position will be over. Okay? No more. No more. That's the place to be. Imagine 4.7 billion people. Where are they all going to come when they know about Onpassive? Under all of us, which means residual income nonstop every single day. Boom, 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 boom. All right? The corruption went down and Onpassive's coming to town. That's what I'm saying. So get to this meeting. It's starting in 3 minutes, so I got to get off here. It's posted below. Admira and Dr. Derek. I will post that later so it doesn't get lost in the shuffle. But get in this. You are not going to believe it, guys. You think I'm excited now? Wait till we launch. Travel, travel, travel. It's going to be all over the world, and you're going to know about it soon. All right, if you got a birthday today, happy birthday. I got to check my birthday list. If you're sick, we're praying for you. You can hear my voices going, but please just check it out. All you got to do is do yourself that favor and get on one of these Q&As. You can call me. If anyone decides to share this video, which a lot of people do, get back to them, not me. Like I said, I don't care who you sign up with. I want you to sign up under somebody, all right? It doesn't matter to me as long as you get in it, because to me, changing your life is the greatest thing in the world. And we got, it's got to be 900, I don't know, 80,000, I'm sure right now. But can you imagine 980,000 people changing lives, how many people's lives we're going to affect? So get in this. It's coming. I'll see you in 2 minutes. See ya.